Eventbrite registration. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can register yourself with an Eventbrite event. All right. So to register yourself, what you're going to do is first of all, you're going to go over to any event that you want to check out for yourself. So let's say I want to go ahead with this, money making event where this person is going to give you the masterclass on how you can, pretty much make money. So if I want to register, I'm going to come here and click on reserve a spot. It's totally free. And to register, just come here, click on reserve a spot. You're going to add in your name and everything. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on register. And once you click on register, what's going to happen from here is there we go. So you've just completed your order, your access to your ticket, and you can simply click on take me to my tickets, and it's going to show you that your Eventbrite registration is good to go. You can cancel your order if you want to, and you can also view the links on where you can actually attend this masterclass. But yeah, that is pretty much the main idea of how Eventbrite registration works, and that is how you can register yourself to any event going on. So that's pretty much about it. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great and amazing day, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.